Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add Instagram post to WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open the post you want to add on your WordPress, then click on this three dot icon and click on embed and click on copy embed code, and then open your WordPress dashboard and I'm going to add the post inside of my post. So I'm clicking on add new and I'm giving title. So after that, click on this little plus icon and search here custom HTML, then paste the code here, then click on publish, and now if I view this post, and here you can see the post has been added to my WordPress. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.